In this video, we are going to design this corner weldment part. So how we can perfectly joint all the corners in this video, we are going to learn that. So let's start. So first of all, we'll take a top plane, click sketch option. Now we'll take polygon and defining the number side of polygon is 3, and we'll create one inscribed polygon here. Defining this point and origin to be vertical condition, and we'll define the total height of this polygon is 1000. Exit. Now we'll go to Weldments and take 3D sketch method. We'll create one center line in XY direction. Now we'll take line tool. We'll join all the corners. We'll press enter to take a line command again. Again we'll press enter to repeat the command. Now we'll define this line, and this line is equal to each other. Exit. Now we'll go to weldment option. So weldment is active. Now we'll click on structure member. Here we'll define ANSI structural member, and type we are taking pipe strong SAT. Size will take pipe XS3 SH80. Now we'll select this into groups. We'll select first group, and corner type will keep it N meter. Now we'll take new group. We'll select second group. I'll select this two pipes. Now take new group. We'll select this remaining pipe. Now if you notice all the corners that are not proper, I want to make it proper corners. For that we'll change the corner condition. We'll click on this pink dot, and here we'll see group 1 is order 1, but in group 2 there is 2 trim order, so we have to make it 1. Like this we have to change for every corner. We'll do OK here. We'll click on this corner. Wherever the 2 corners are trim orders are there, we'll make it 1 and do OK. Again we'll select this one. We'll make trim order to 1. OK. And here also we'll select this, making trim order to 1. Now we have changed for all the corners. Then we'll do OK. Now we can change the appearance of the part. We'll click on edit appearance. We'll take any appearance. We'll double click on that. Do OK. Appearance will be applied. We'll hide the sketches. So this is how we have created this part. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.